got an amazing new listing down in Buda. Builder that I've worked with for a long time. This guy's attention to detail is incredible. Galan Custom Homes, Isaias Galan. From the moment you walk into this house, it's got a huge front door, steel door, all glass. You've got nothing but natural light pouring throughout this house. KitchenAid appliances, 36-inch gas cooktop. The house, you know, the cooktop is a propane cooktop. It's just not something you see in that price range very much, especially in a brand new home. The fireplace alone is a $5,000 fireplace.
$5,000.
This is just what he does, because he doesn't put cheap stuff in houses.
Sure. Right.
Master bathroom is amazing. It's got this great pedestal tub with these lights up above it, these window lights up above it, and the walk-in shower. I mean, the walk-in shower, it's got a seat, but it's big enough for 2 people.
Wow.
One of the other amazing things, and a lot of people around here have allergies. This thing does not have a piece of carpet in it. It is the same tile throughout the home. The whole thing is spray foam insulation, walls, ceiling, everything. About 2,900 square feet, really good sized lot. Location is incredible. Don't find builder homes in this price point with complete epoxy garages. This thing is pristine. You can change your oil. If you spill the oil, you wipe it up. Right off 1626, man. It's right in there, close to everything in South Austin, close to shopping both in Buda and there at South Park Meadows. But again, 15 minutes to downtown Austin, about 20 minutes to the airport. The location of this thing is off the charts. All right, dude. Find me a buyer for this thing.
All right.
All right. It's a great house, great location.
To Buda.
To Buda.
There we go. Cheers.